You gotta stay away from Daddy.
Mash it.
Let's do this. Whoa, you almost fell. Hey there foodies! Today we're diving into the world's seafood with a recipe that's sure to warm your soul, homemade lobster chowder. Join me as we create a warm and comforting dish. Given the effort required to take out lobster claw meat, incorporating it into a soup enhances its overall dining experience, Let's do this.
making it more enjoyable and convenient to savor. To begin, we'll prepare the vegetable soup base by chopping potatoes, onions, carrots, cilantro, and green onions. First, saute onions until golden brown. Next, wilt the green onions and cilantro and add garlic until fragrant. Set this aside. To thicken the chowder, prepare a roux by melting butter and mixing in flour until smooth. Gradually add milk or cream to create a velvety base. This will serve as a thickener with a vegetable-based soup. Now let's cook all the vegetables. Add the ingredients to the pot in order of cooking time, starting with the longest cooking vegetables first. Once the potatoes are fully cooked, set aside a portion for final plating, as these will be served as part of the dish. To make the soup, use a hand blender to blend all the vegetable ingredients together. Add the roux mixture, and then stir well. Now, add the potatoes that were put aside. Add salt, sugar, basil leaves, and seafood bouillon to taste. The next step is to boil the lobster claws. Cook them for about 10 minutes until the lobster shells turn bright red.
If you are enjoying this video and want to see more content just like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when I release new videos.
What's the lobster? Lobster! Ooh, not biting you.
No, it's not.
Whoa! It's really big. Whoa, meat. The meat. This is about 4 claws worth of meat.
We're gonna have some soup.
Yeah. In there. Yeah.
Mixture. It's a thick soup.
Yeah.
And there you have it,
And we're
a
having-
bowl of creamy, hearty lobster chowder that's guaranteed to impress. The combination of tender lobster, creamy vegetable broth, and aromatic herbs is absolutely delicious.
Mm.
You like it?
Yeah.
What's it taste like?
Really inside.
Like what?
Inside.
If you are interested in any of the cooking essentials featured in this video, you can find the Amazon links in the description below. By
Curry
making a
has
purchase,
potato.
I am awarded a small
Not every
commission
dish
and no added cost to
that
you.
has potato in it is curry. You get it?
Yeah.